Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. Confidence is key. How to boost your self-esteem and attract her. My friend, are you looking to become more confident and attractive to women? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to go over 10 tips on how to boost your self-esteem and become the confident, attractive man that you want to be. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. You are my good best friend. Support this channel to develop further by pressing the like button, subscribing, good comments and sharing if this video is useful. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Know your strengths. Make a list of things you are good at and things you enjoy doing. Focus on these things to build your confidence. For example, if you're good at cooking, plan a romantic dinner for your partner. 2. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. This can include things like exercising, eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and meditating. For example, if you feel stressed, take a walk or listen to relaxing music. 3. Surround yourself with positive people. Spend time with people who support and encourage you. Avoid negative or critical people. For example, if you have a friend who always brings you down, limit your time with them or find a new friend. 4. Set realistic goals. Set goals that you can achieve and focus on making progress, not perfection. For example, if you want to become more confident in public speaking, start by speaking in front of a small group of friends. 5. Embrace failure. Don't be afraid to fail. Instead, learn from your mistakes and use them to grow. For example, if you don't get the job you wanted, use the experience to improve your interview skills for next time. 6. Focus on the present moment. Stop worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Live in the moment and enjoy life. For example, if you are on a date, put your phone away and focus on your partner. 7. Speak positively. Use positive self-talk and avoid negative thoughts. For example, instead of saying "I'm not good enough," say "I'm working on improving every day." 8. Take action. Don't just think about it, do it. Take risks and try new things. For example, if you are shy, start by striking up a conversation with a stranger. 9. Wear nice clothes. Take pride in your appearance and dress well. For example, wear clothes that fit you well and make you feel confident. 10. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Be authentic and genuine. For example, if you are a geek, embrace your interests and don't be afraid to talk about them. In conclusion, building confidence is all about embracing your strengths, taking care of yourself, and focusing on the present moment. Remember to be yourself, dress well, and take action. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming the confident and attractive man that you want to be. So go out there and make it happen. Thank you for watching, my friend. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.